Welcome to another video, and as you can see from the title, we are going to be unboxing tiramisu and lemon doro local cake. So guys, before I get any further, I wanted to do this in my first upload. I just want to give God thanks who is in my life for all that he has done for me, has kept me all these years. And I think I need to say that before I go any further into my introduction. Before I get into unboxing the tiramisu, I'm just gonna do a bit of an introduction. Okay, so I know a lot of people might be asking why YouTube. So why have I chosen to do YouTube? Because YouTube is a good place to be, I think. YouTube is connected to Google, and you find a lot of answers. Google is like a library, like it's they're all connected. The World Wide Web, Google, YouTube, right? So you learn from these platforms or these websites, and I think it's a good place to be. And if you have talent, if you have skills, if you have ideas to share, it's a good place to be. And okay guys, so this is my second take on making this video, and it's the title of the video is going to be unboxing tiramisu gone wrong, because what happened is I opened the tiramisu, run my take on the video, and I had to redo it again. Okay, so guys, however, before I get into the video, let me just say, as I said, yeah, YouTube is a good place to be. Why I chose to do YouTube, and it's a good place to be, and you learn a lot. And if you have ideas to share, why not share it on a platform such as YouTube, if you can try and find the time to do YouTube, make YouTube videos. And also, I wanted to say, why YouTube? I also have a passion for cooking. In Jamaica, in high school, I was in the home economics class, and I remember all the things. I remember what I learned there. I liked what I saw, and I have a passion for cooking. I taught myself to do a lot of things my way, other than being in school. And I was trying to find a photo of myself in class. At St. Andrew Technical High School, though I didn't mention the name. Yeah, I attended St. Andrew Technical High School in Jamaica. We call it STATS, and that's short for St. Andrew Technical High School, STATHS. And yeah, from there I learned a bit of home economics, cookery, and sewing, but the cookery part of it I preferred. And along life's way, I taught myself to do a lot of things my way. And okay, so with that being said, let's get into the video. Let's get into unboxing tiramisu. And I think I was saying I was trying to find a photo of myself in school at St. Andrew Technical High School, but I can't find it. So if I find it in the future, then I'll put it on. I'll insert it in my videos and let you guys see the photo. And as I said, guys, I made a take of the video. I had to do it all over again. So the tiramisu is already open. Okay, tiramisu unboxing gone wrong, but we still have the tiramisu here. I did not eat it all off. And there's the tiramisu. I'm not gonna bother to break anything from this because I already broken the tiramisu and the lemony cake. So I'll just show you guys the tiramisu. It's somewhat chocolate. It's not. It's somewhat yeah, chocolate on the inside. The filling. It tastes a bit like liquor, but it's not. It's not. It's not much liquor taste, and it's really good. And here I have the lemon tart cake. The lemon duro. Okay. By the way, guys, at my first take of the video, the cakes were still sealed. And I'm determined to make this video tonight. I'm not putting it off. Guys, so I know you might be saying, oh, too much sugar, but like, it doesn't hurt to treat yourself sometimes. And these cakes were like $12.97, and they reduced them because I guess it's getting close to the expiry date. So they were $12.97, then they were reduced to $6.89, and then to $3. And I like this cake. I like the texture. It's soft. So, and I'll put it here because I don't think you guys have seen the cake. And I'm gonna have cake with my coconut water. The tiramisu that I started eating at my first take of the video. But persistence, guys. Determination, right? Because if I put off making this video, then this type of video is not... I already opened the cake, so I won't make this video. And there's no more of this cake for now. For me to go back and buy cake and another set of cake and remake the video. So might as well I work with what has already happened. It's really good. I like both the tiramisu and the lemon doro cake. So guys, comment down below and let me know if sometimes you have cake. We don't have to wait for Christmas. And by the way, speaking about Christmas, I should be singing It's Beginning to Feel a Lot Like Summer, because it's warming up here in Canada. I love when it's summer in Canada, spring summer weather. Winter is not. Winter doesn't make me a happy person. It doesn't make me a happy camper. Toast, guys. So coconut water. So guys, I hope I didn't miss anything. Yeah, what I wanted to do basically was the intro. Oh, and the about section, I went on my computer to fill out the about section to give you a bit of an overview of what the channel is about. The channel is about basically sharing videos such as baking, cooking, juicing, and if you have any idea, if you have and if you would like to see me make anything in particular, comment down below, and feel free to share the video, give the video a thumbs up, and do comment, guys, because YouTube likes when we comment, when the viewers give feedback to me, the YouTuber, right? You give feedback They like YouTube likes when we communicate. So give this video a thumbs up, and I'm not gonna make this a long video. Oh, I wanted to say that my first video that I uploaded, the grocery haul video, was supposed to be a 21 length video, and like I was disappointed because after I edited, I spent all that time editing the video. YouTube wouldn't allow me to upload the 21-minute length video. They're saying there was an error, a command saying that my video, I'm allowed like 15-minute length video for whatever reason. And I went to do a bit of research in YouTube, and one person was saying that my video needs to be monetized. My video needs to be verified, but not my video, my channel needs to be verified, but my channel is verified. So I'm not sure what that was all about, if it's about my first video, or I hope in the future I will be able to upload longer videos, because they limited me to 15 minutes, and I'm not gonna make this go that long and I have to be chop out a lot of pieces, because the video, that the grocery haul video, I had to like take out a lot of pieces that I did not want to take out, to split it in two and do a part 1 and part 2, because that wasn't my plan. It was my plan to do a make a part 1 and part 2 video, but I was determined to upload the video anyway. I didn't want to delay. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and join me, stay tuned for the next video. Ciao. Bye guys.